In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get perfect alignment and spacing in Canva. Clean alignment and consistent spacing instantly make a design look professional, and Canva gives you quick tools to get there without guesswork. Let's walk through it in a simple, practical way. First, open Canva and head to your design. Start by selecting the elements you want to align or space. You can hold Shift and click each item one by one, which is great if your elements are scattered. Or, if they're in the same area, click and drag a box around them to select them all at once. Be precise here, only select the items you want to change so you don't accidentally move something that was already in the right spot. With your elements selected, look at the top toolbar and click Position. This opens the Arrange tools you'll use for alignment and spacing. Begin with Align. You'll see options like left, center, right, top, middle, and bottom. These commands line up your selected elements relative to each other. For example, Align Left pulls everything to the left edge of the leftmost item in your selection. Align Top brings the tops to a straight line based on the highest element. Center and Middle align by the center points, which is perfect when your items are different sizes and you want a clean, balanced line. Next, use Tidy Up, also labeled Space Evenly. This creates equal gaps between your selected elements, both horizontally and vertically. If you're arranging a row of icons or a column of text boxes, Space Evenly removes the guesswork and ensures the spacing is consistent. After tidying, if you adjust one item, simply reapply Tidy Up to restore perfect spacing. It's especially helpful when you're mixing different element sizes and want the gaps, not the edges, to feel uniform. Finally, use Center to align the entire group to the page's center. This places your selection right in the middle of the canvas, either horizontally, vertically, or both, depending on the option you choose. It's the fastest way to anchor a layout on the page after you've aligned and spaced everything within the group. Just make sure you still have all the intended elements selected before you center, so the whole composition comes along for the ride. That's it. Thanks for watching.